We are staying in the recently renovated Riu Palace Macao all-inclusive resort in Punta Cana. And this is a full video tour of all its areas and amenities, so you know exactly what to expect from this Punta Cana resort after renovations.
The grounds and layout. The Riu Palace Macao was fully renovated in the summer of 2023. It is an adults-only resort located within the Riu complex in Arena Gorda, one of the main beach areas in Punta Cana. The Riu complex houses 4 hotels. It used to be 5, but 2 are being renovated and merged. The Palace Macao is conveniently situated in the center of the complex, with easier access to shared amenities like the water park and the Riu party area. Looking at the beach, the Palace Macao has the Bamboo Resort to its left and the Palace Bávaro to its right. The latter is being renovated and merged with the now discontinued Naiboa Resort. The Riu Palace Macao is a medium-sized to small hotel, designed parallel to the beach, making walking easy. The gardens are very well kept, and the recently renovated common areas are in top condition. The beach. Arena Gorda, where the Riu complex is located, is one of our favorite beaches in the Punta Cana Bávaro area. Arena Gorda is your quintessential Punta Cana beach, turquoise crystal clear water and pearly white sand. The first line of the beach doesn't have much shade, as most palm trees are still too young. There are no huts or palapas, and lounge chairs are made of standard white plastic. Our visit was during May, when seaweed begins arriving in the Caribbean. The beach has considerable seaweed on the sand and water on our first afternoon there. However, the following morning there was little to no seaweed, which shows that the hotel has a good seaweed cleaning system in place. The pools. The Riu Palace Macao has 3 pools, which are grouped close to each other and near the beach. The biggest one has a good depth and shallow parts with loungers. It is the only one suitable for lap swimming. The mood is relaxed, and wait people make constant rounds for drink orders. Next to the main pool is a smaller, shallower one, with the hotel's only wet bar. It's the most crowded and lively of the pools, and party music is constantly playing here. The smallest pool is closer to the beach. It's about waist deep and could be used as a 2-lane, shallower lap swimming pool. During our stay, all the pools were well maintained. The pool areas offered plenty of seating, including lounge chairs and free Balinese beds. Shade was also widely available as in other Riu hotels we've visited. The room. We booked the cheapest room type, a superior junior suite. The rooms were also fully renovated. Everything is brand new, works as it should, and looks modern and inviting. The decoration was classy and tropical. The room is very well illuminated by artificial and natural light. The bedroom area is spacious. We had a comfy king-sized bed with 4 pillows. A big screen TV is in front of the bed and above a working station and luggage rack. Night tables on each side of the bed have night lights and USB outlets. Next to the bedroom is the sitting area, which has a clean 2-seat sofa, a coffee table, and a small table with 2 modern chairs. Adjacent to the sitting area is the balcony behind glass sliding doors. Our balcony was huge. Other than 2 folding chairs and a small table, there was a lot, and I mean a lot, of empty space. Following the Riu tradition, there is an in-room alcohol dispenser with a bottle of vodka, gin, rum, and whiskey. Underneath, there's a coffee station with a traditional drip coffee maker. The minibar is hidden underneath and is stocked with soda, water, and local beer. Next to the coffee station and minibar, you'll find a spacious closet and inside an in-room safe. All hotel room safes have a special way to open them so the staff can access them if you forget the code or the electronics fail. When a safe has a way for someone other than you to get in it, your valuables are never 100% secure.
This is why we always travel with this fully lockable safety bag made with cut-resistant materials to protect our valuables. We anchor the bag's cut-resistant strap to a fixed object in the room to protect our most valuable belongings. You can see more details on this bag using the QR code on the screen or the link in the description. If you buy it, we earn a small commission on each sale.
The amenities. The Riu complex has some amenities like the water park, Pasha nightclub, and the Riu parties, which are shared by all the hotels in the complex. However, the Riu Palace Macao stands on its own regarding amenities. Let's start with our favorite amenities in all-inclusive resorts, the coffee shop and the sports bar. The coffee shop is small but well-stocked, with various sweet and savory snacks and coffee drinks. Its seating area is not big, but there are plenty of chairs and tables just outside the coffee shop overlooking the gardens. The sports bar is a go-to spot after dark. It has big screen TVs for watching games, a pool and football tables, and a small buffet with classic snacks like burgers and hot dogs. Just outside the lobby, you'll find an on-site casino, 4 tennis courts, and a modern, well-equipped gym with crowd favorites like treadmills, bikes, and weight machines. You'll find the spa next to the gym, which is not included in the hotel fare. On the beach, there's a water sports center where you can borrow equipment for snorkeling, windsurfing, kayaking, and beach volleyball. Palace Macao guests also have access to the shared amenities in the Riu complex, such as the Splash Water World water park, which has slides ranging from mild to extreme. You may also go to the Pasha nightclub at night for live music. Drinks at the nightclub are not included. Riu organizes the now famous Riu parties in an area inside the complex. These parties occur several times weekly during the day and night and are a blast. The restaurants. The Riu Palace Macao boasts 5 restaurants, including the El Patio Buffet, open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. At night, 4 specialty restaurants complete the culinary roster. Crystal is a fusion cuisine restaurant. Volare serves Italian food. Kabuki is a Japanese restaurant and a steakhouse. The restaurants are nicely decorated according to their theme. None of them require a reservation, they are first come, first served. Elite club members have an exclusive restaurant just for them, so we didn't have access to it during our stay. The snacks. In addition to items like cheesecake, muffins, and red velvet cake from the coffee shop, or hamburgers and hot dogs from the sports bar, you may go to Pepe's Food for a snack between meals. Pepe's Food is a snack bar conveniently located near the pools and beach. It offers items like burgers and nachos. The bars. When it comes to bars, the Riu Palace Macao has 5 options, which is perfect for a hotel this size. You have the bar in the party pool, which has a wet and dry side, the sports bar with a wider variety of drinks, the gorgeous Cuban-themed bar in the lobby building, and the elite club lounge right in front of the Cubano bar, which is, you guessed it, for elite club guests only. The entertainment. Regarding entertainment, and at the risk of sounding like a scratch record, Riu does a great job. Throughout the day, the entertainment staff organizes competitions in games like beach volleyball, cornhole, mini golf, bingo, and whatever this is. As I mentioned before, Riu parties are organized several times weekly. Some, like the Jungle Party, are held during the day, and others, like the White Party, are held at night. At night, the hotel also puts on different night shows at the amphitheater, plays live music for dancing, and also has karaoke nights. Now click on the video on the left to watch our tour of another Riu hotel in this complex, the Riu Palace Punta Cana, or the video on the right to see where the Riu Palace Macao placed in our top 10 adults-only rankings.